IC A300-C. The ICA series is kind of just a series of industrial, generic industrial ceiling fans. They're actually really good though. I made a video not too long ago showing of me scrapping this fan. Like that was last year. Yeah, it was on Christmas. Yeah, I was scrapping out this fan. As you can see, I don't have the original mounting, so I'm using that. So yeah, I was scrapping the fan, but I have a video. You can check that out. I was just testing the fan while cleaning up my fan closet. Cause just why not test it? I was about to throw it away, but I figured why not test it? It could still work. And to my surprise, it did. So here it is, put fully together. It was really hard to not really hard, but it was kind of hard to find replacement parts like new screws. In here, I had to find a new shackle. Well, the same old shackle. I had to find a new shackle. I had to find the same shackle, but yeah, these screws are new. It's not using the original mounting. So I'm gonna plug it in and go on a fluorescent light. That's gotta get fixed. And by fixed, I mean the cover has to be put back on it. See, the cover doesn't fit. So. Right. Oh, it's using a new capacitor, by the way. It was the old one. I don't think that one's good anymore. It's very dirty. The motor, at least. If you look closely on the motor, you can see a spot of dirt. Yeah, this thing is pretty good. For being one of those ceiling fans I randomly restore. It's really quick. Very noisy too. Yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning this up and painting it. And if I do find a bracket that fits that canopy, that's gonna be the mounting. So let me unplug it. And maybe do a spin down. Spin downs are long. Oh, and the regulator for this broke a really long time ago. I think when the fan was like just a few months old, the regulator broke. So I have to use it without one. Ignore the creaking of the stand. The fan's a bit wobbly. It does have a much quicker spin down than the last time I tried it though. Probably because the bearings, after a while, the bearings just rusted. I don't know if I can't say that I'm gonna do this, but I might do a video of me painting it, like how I did of those fluorescent lights, but I never uploaded it because I didn't think it was good enough. So yeah. The motor, I'm going to give that a good cleaning after the video. I'm going to take the blades off, and the blades, I'm going to repaint the blades when I buy white paint. The blades though, actually I should probably just leave them. But what really needs repainting is a sensor of that motor. Oh, something I noticed, this looks a lot like that Can-Arm ceiling fan. The Can-Arm CP56. I guess that fan looks like most curvy blade fans. Oh, that square on the upper canopy, I just put that there with a marker. I don't know why I did that. I guess I was trying to draw a logo on it or something. I think these are 56-inch blades. I could be wrong. The information sticker is up there. When it stops, I'll show you. It's a bit faded out. Yeah. I might have to reprint it because it's faded out. I'll have to type everything I can see on it to print a new one and put that up there. Oh, and this motor needs cleaning, as I said. Alright, let me just what would you think if I did air conditioner videos? I'm thinking of doing videos of the air conditioners in my house. So I think air conditioners are cool too, but I can't get my hand on one. And it's gonna stop right there. Right. This is extremely dirty. I don't know what that is. There's the information tag right there. IC fan, Go 2003 style industrial ceiling fan, 110 volts, 60 watts, 60 hertz. It's not that bad now that I'm looking at it again. Let me show you guys the top. Now, when I was painting this, I didn't do the top of the blades because it's a waste of paint. So those are still rusty. The top of the motor too, look at the canopy, it's all scratched up. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. This was FanCat 2008.